Keys. For thousands of years, they've been a part of our world. But the universe is changing. And today, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era. The keyless era, with electronic locks from Schlage. Observe. Schlage electronic locks get rid of all the hassle of carrying around a key. Just enter your 4-digit code, and you're in. Ready to join the keyless era? Time to go shopping. Schlage Connect is, well, connected. That means you can use a computer, tablet, or smartphone to monitor your home from anywhere. Want to unlock your front door from the beach? No problem. You can even get alerts when people enter your home. It's my mom. Didn't know she was coming over today. There's also a built-in alarm to let you know when someone's coming or going, for even more peace of mind. And one more thing. To install a Schlage electronic lock, all you'll need is a screwdriver. It is so easy, even an unpaid intern could do it. Thank you. So, there you have it. With electronic locks from Schlage, keyless means simple, convenient, and, well, pretty darn cool. Sorry, keys. The keyless era starts now.